Okay, recording, go.
What precinct are you with?
I'm with the 57th.
Oh, I know a guy in homicide up there.
I'm in Vice. Yeah, in fact, I'm undercover right now. I'm a whore.
So they can hear it.
Do you know Syphilis?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, Syphilis. Yeah.
You want this one?
I kind of balls. Don't try to.
It's the music.
He's not there. His just died.
Daddy trying to get her to brush teeth or something. Evelyn, brush your teeth. Why are you putting that on her? Baby. No whitening shit, babe. Not yet. Are you crazy? Oh my god! Oh my god! What's wrong with you?
That's what I've been brushing her teeth with every day.
On the record, that is very bad. That has chemicals in it that she is swallowing still. Honey, she doesn't need whitening shit. Oh my god.
When are you going?
Baby. Oh my god.
Brush your own teeth.
Brush, brush, brush. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Brush, brush, brush. Go ah. Look, Daddy's gonna brush his teeth too.
What do you say?
So he can play music.
Can you